welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be putting some tips on my left hand. So I've pulled out these short full cover stiletto tips. I have never done stiletto nails on my hands before, so I wanted to give it a try, see how they look. I don't know if any of you guys remember, but a few videos ago I said that I was waiting on some of this Born Pretty solid nail tips gel to arrive, and it's finally arrived, so I wanted to give it a go and see how I got on with it. So as you can see, I've already removed my nails, etched my natural nails, I've removed the shiny surface. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to etch the inside of these tips, and you only need this on a very slow speed, and you only need to etch the part that's going to be attached to my nail bed. You can actually do a coat of base coat, but I like to apply the base coat on my natural nail and etch the tips. I just find this works best for me, but everybody has their own ideas. Some personal preference, I guess. So like I said, I've already prepped my nails, pushed the cuticles back. Now I'm going to apply the Naio Nails Dehydrator. And then I'm going in with the Naio Nails Ultra Bond Acid Primer. And you want to make sure you don't get none of this on your skin. And once that's dry, I'm going to apply a coat of the Born Pretty base coat. And I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. Right, so nails are all prepped, ready to go. Let's take a look at this stuff, shall we? It's weird stuff. I've watched a few videos on this. I've found the easiest way to apply it is with, if I can find it, is with a cuticle scraper. I'll stick that to the tip like that. And then I'm going to push it down at the cuticle, working my way towards the tip of the nail, just getting rid of all them air bubbles. But these air bubbles just didn't want to go. Every time I let go of the tip, they just kept coming back again. What I do like about this stuff though, there is no stickiness whatsoever. And you see that extra bit of tip gel? I'm just going to remove that with my cuticle scraper. And there's just no stickiness to it. There's no messiness. It's actually a really nice product to work with. So once I've got that where I want it and I've got it all straight, I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. That's weird. I'm not sure whether it's meant to look like that. So that's that one stuck down. I've got a feeling that mine's gone off, guys. Look at that. The videos that I've seen, no one else's is crystallised like that. So I've got a feeling mine has gone off. Look, the minute you start pulling it away, it just goes like white and dry and crusty. Can you see that? That is really weird. I've got a feeling mine's gone off, but do you know what? I'm going to try it anyway and see how long they last. I've got a feeling they're not going to last very long because they seem to have loads of air bubbles in them, and yeah, I can't see these staying on very long, but I'm going to try it anyway. I'm going to see how long they last before they start popping off. And I'm going to watch a few more videos and see what other people's looks like, but the couple of videos that I've watched, I don't remember it going white and crystallised like that. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Not looking too promising right now though. Right, so they are all stuck on as well as I can get them. I don't think these are going to last 5 minutes, guys, to be honest. There's loads of air bubbles in them. Yeah, I just can't see these lasting. I really can't, but if any of you guys have tried this stuff, let me know, please, what yours is like. Was it like crystallized when you start to pull it out like that? Can you see it's all crystallized? It looks clear in the bottom, but the minute you start pulling it out, it just goes white like this, crystallized. So yeah, any of you guys have tried it, please let me know, because I don't think that looks right from the videos that I've seen anyway. I didn't see anyone else's do that. So I'm going to give these a file around the cuticle, and then I'm going to give them a buff and then decorate them if they're still on by then. Hopefully they are, touch wood. So yeah, that is the Born Pretty tip gel. It's supposed to be, but yeah, I'm not convinced that is right. I think that's gone off, but like I say, we'll see. We'll see how they are tomorrow when I wake up. I'll probably wake up and they'll all be pinged off in bed somewhere. So we shall see. As you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen, I have got a Born Pretty discount code for you guys. You'll also find it along with all my other discount codes in my description box. And yeah, that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Probably wasn't very educational, but we shall see. We shall see. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.